It's time for giving wings to your dreams. Chase it and flaunt it by staying at the 5550 S Dorchester student accommodation in Chicago. Offering a selection of studio, 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, all decked out with chic and spacious interiors, cozy beds, stunning whitewood cabinets, and an atmosphere that's totally cat-friendly. So bring your furry friends along for the ride. And let's not forget about the communal amenities. There's a renovated lobby that's Insta-worthy, a fully furnished fitness center to keep you on your grind, a coffee bar to get your caffeine fix, and a grilling area with a bean-bag game set for all your chill time needs. When it's time to hit the books, you can walk to the University of Chicago in just 12 minutes or reach the Illinois Institute of Technology in a mere 12 minutes. Need a break from all that studying? Head over to Jet's Pizza and treat yourself to some freshly baked pizza, and when the weekend rolls around, treat yourself at the Ashone Bistro Italian restaurant. And for all your weekly grocery needs, Trader Joe's supermarket is just around the corner. So pack your bags, grab your cat, and head straight to this amazing stay. But before you do, make sure to book through amberstudent.com to secure your spot.